Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got some sizzling hot tips to keep you cool as a cucumber during those sweltering summer nights. Get ready to beat the heat with our top 5 healthiest ways to sleep in hot weather. First things first, let us set the stage for a cool slumber. Opt for lightweight and breathable sheets made from natural fibers like cotton or bamboo. This will help your skin breathe and prevent you from feeling sweaty throughout the night. Next up, bring in the breeze. Position a fan near your bed to circulate the air. If you want an extra refreshing experience, try placing a bowl of ice in front of the fan. It will create a DIY air conditioner effect, cooling down your room without breaking the bank. Staying hydrated is key, even while you sleep. Keep a water bottle by your bedside to quench your thirst and regulate your body temperature. But remember, small sips are the way to go to avoid any midnight bathroom trips. When it comes to bedtime attire, less is more. Opt for loose-fitting, lightweight pajamas or go au naturel. Avoid heavy fabrics that trap heat, and you'll be sleeping like a baby in no time. And finally, our secret weapon, the chill pillow hack. Pop your pillowcase into the freezer a few minutes before bedtime, and voila, a refreshing pillow that will keep your head cool all night long. There you have it, folks, our top 5 healthiest ways to sleep in the heat. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to sweet dreams, even on the hottest summer nights. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful and subscribe to our channel for more wellness wisdom. Stay cool, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, sleep well, and remember your health is your wealth. Take care, and until next time, take it easy.